Hi there, and welcome to syncX, Stock Sync. You can update or add inventory policy to products with the matching column. On the matching column of the feed, find or select inventory policy from the store product fields. Enter the column name or index for mapping. To set a fixed value for all products, click Fixed Value and select the desired value. For the inventory policy smart setting, you can set enable or disable continue selling when out of stock feed value is. This feature allows you to specify your own indicator from the feed file. For example, your file could be using enable and disable as the indicators. By default, the indicators will use continue and deny as the values. You can use any value according to your feed file. Replace the value here according to your feed file, which is enable and disable. You can also skip updates when the feed value is blank. Note that a value of 0 is not considered blank. Once you are ready, click on Next and all changes will be saved.